This Jeep's gonna be a total transformation, and I am super excited about it. Like I said, this is the last time that this vehicle is gonna look as stock and as boring as it does right now. Like I said, it's a 2015 JK Sahara, and it is bone stock. We're gonna be doing some KMC Grenade beadlocks, some 40-inch tall Maxxis tires, a MetalCloak Game-Changer 4.5-inch kit, which is essentially patterned after their 5.5-inch kit. We're gonna also be doing bumpers in the front. We're gonna be doing some aluminum flares. It's gonna be a very, very comprehensive build, and it's gonna look nothing like it does now. Oh yeah, did I mention that it's getting 1-ton full float Terraflex Dana 60 axles? The best thing I like about this entire project is all the parts that we've used to make this thing are all readily available published part numbers from some of the most reputable manufacturers in the industry. So this is something that could be easily duplicated without a lot of custom fabrication. Now, it's not gonna be an easy project, and everything needs to be set up right, and we're gonna show you that whole process from start to finish. Although it looks a little silly, we are halfway. The Jeep is rolling under its own weight, and we had to take a little bit of a break because we are waiting on some axles. While we wait, I want to show you around for what we did so far, because the body modifications are absolutely necessary to fit this size tire on this Jeep. Starting up front, we've got this Bruiser front bumper from Poison Spyder. Both the front and the rear bumper and the rock sliders are all from Poison Spyder. One thing I really like about this front bumper is it's got these rigid lights Frenched into it, which I think looks really, really cool. I have this exact same bumper on my Jeep. Of course, we stuffed it with this awesome new winch from Superwinch. This is their SX10. It's a 10,000 pound winch, and it comes with synthetic line on it. At the end of every winch cable, we always put either a flat link or a pro link from Factor 55. So that finishes that off really well. A little detail on this front bumper is that we cut off that lower splash shield cross member piece. We left just what was necessary right there to mount the bumper, but it really cleans up the bottom of the frame and everything there. The flares the whole way around are made by MetalCloak. These things are awesome. They're all aluminum, and one thing that we always make sure that we order is inner fenders, because no one wants to see the ugly insides of your engine bay when you're looking at the Jeep from the side. It also keeps a bunch of mud and water and that kind of stuff from working its way into the engine bay and getting stuff all dirty and corroded. These are the rock sliders. These are Poison Spyder's rock sliders. They are really cool. They have like a inner skeleton piece that gets bolted in first, and then this thing goes on top of it. So you get this kind of mini boat side effect on these rockers. If you're out in the woods wheeling, it's really nice to have something that's just a little bump out from the side of the body, because it's very often you'll find yourself really tight against a tree, especially here in the Northeast, and that keeps you bumped away a little bit. Again, awesome product. They're from Poison Spyder. One thing I really, really like about Poison Spyder is their Spyder shell powder coating. I really like their powder coat. It's thick, it holds up well, and they've got a great warranty with it. Again, in the back, this is their Brawler rear bumper. So we got the Brawler rear bumper, we got the Brawler rock sliders, and we got the Bruiser front bumper. Kind of a tongue twister, but we got it all in there. They do come with these backup lights integrated inside there and a hitch receiver. So looks pretty cool. One thing that we did while we're putting it all together is we painted the insides of this, painted the rear wheel wells, painted up the frame, because the next big thing is some 8-lug, 1-ton axles and a MetalCloak 4.5-inch kit. I'm excited about that because that's gonna really transform this thing once we get some 40-inch tall tires on it. We've got the JK all wrapped up and the thing turned out awesome. It aligned perfectly. We aimed the headlights so they're zeroed in, and we got the bump stop set so the tires don't rub the body at all. This thing turned out to be awesome, and it is a total trail machine ready to wheel. So if you like this Jeep, comment in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe to us on YouTube. Also, check us out on Instagram and Facebook. And lastly, on our website, there's a showcase section. Visit it because there's a ton of cool projects there that will hopefully give you inspiration for a project of your very own. Thanks for watching. See ya.